Hello, I am Lily, one of the associates at Mojoob Marketplace. Welcome to another video tutorial of Mojoob Academy, where you will learn everything on how to successfully run your business on Mojoob Marketplace. In this video, I will focus on how to add or list a product on Mojoob Marketplace. Mojoob allows you to add and edit products using different methods. In this video, we will focus on adding a product one by one. 1. To add a product, go to Products and click on Products. After clicking on the plus button, which is located in the upper right corner in the administration panel of your store, then click on Create a new product. 2. The product creation page will open. Configure the required properties of the two tabs that are available. These tabs are General and Tags. Note: some properties don't appear during product creation and are available only when you enter the properties for the General tab and create the listing. For convenience, properties are grouped by tabs on the product editing page. Let's discuss each of these tabs separately. Tab 1, General. The General tab is divided into three subsections. A. Information. The first property under the General tab is called Information. Under Information property, you will find the following properties. Name. The name or title of the product as it appears on the storefront and in the administration panel. Let's say we would like to list a Levi's men t-shirt. Categories. The categories that the product will be assigned to. In the category search bar, just type t-shirt and a list of t-shirt categories will appear. Select the appropriate category for men t-shirt. Warehouse location. This feature is only available at the Ultimate Selling Plan and enables you to indicate the location of the product in your warehouse. For example, aisle 2, rack 5, shelf 3, bin 4. Once you print the shipping label, the above location will be indicated in the packing list, which will help your staff to quickly pick, pack and ship the order. We have another full video tutorial about the warehouse location feature. Price. The base product price in your store's currency. Full description. The product description that will appear on the product details page of the storefront. The description can be either a plain text, a formatted HTML text, or even images. If you're not familiar with HTML code, you can rely on the visual editor. You simply edit product descriptions like a document, and the visual editor adds the HTML code automatically. Status. The status of the product. There is the following status of the products. A. Active. The product is available on the storefront and appears in the product list. B. Disabled. The product is not available on the storefront. C. Hidden. Product does not appear in the product list on the storefront. But your customers can reach a hidden product if you send them the direct link of your product. Images. The images of the product. Supported formats are JPEG, GIF, and PNG. The maximum size of an uploaded image should not exceed 1 megabyte. Thumbnails for these images will be generated automatically. One of the uploaded images will appear larger than the others. That's the main product image that is displayed on the product list and on the product details page by default. To change the main image, simply drag and drop another image in its place. You can also change the order of additional images the same way. If you hover over an image, you'll be able to view the full-sized image, delete it, or edit its alt text. This text will be shown when the image is missing or cannot be displayed. For SEO purposes, it is a good practice to have an alternative text associated with the image. B. Pricing or inventory. In this section, you have the following properties to adjust. List price. If this price is higher than the product's price, then a discount label will be displayed for the product. We always encourage you to use this feature, and write the higher price of the product being sold elsewhere. In stock, the number of products in the stock. Products that are out of stock can't be bought. Taxes. Select the taxes as everyone must pay their taxes. See Extra. There are the following properties for this section. Downloadable. If this checkbox is ticked, the product is labeled as downloadable, for example. You are selling files such as software that are distributed by download. Highlight text. An additional block in the form of bullet point highlight of the product that appears on the upper right corner of the product page. It's a good practice to keep the bullet points in the same format as the already existing products on the product page. For now, you don't need to specify the Tags tab, we will come back to it later. Now click on the Create button, which is located in the upper right corner. After your product is created, you will get a notice which says, "Warning, your changes have been saved." Before your product is added to the product catalog, it must be approved by the store administration. Now your product is pending approval. But in order for your product to be approved, you have to complete the listing and fill in the other required information. Now you can see some further tabs. Let's discuss them one by one. Tab 2, Features. Features are additional inseparable product properties. You can use them to add information that is specific to the products you sell. For example, if you sell printed books, you can add a field for ISBN. If you sell music, you can add a field for the audio format, etc. You can use the already existing features. We have other dedicated video tutorials on how to create features in detail. Tab 3, Variations. When you click on Variations tab, you will get the following notice. Warning, before you can edit variations, please save the product. Now, click and save your changes. Variations are similar products that differ from each other only in one or a few features. For example, silver with 256 GB MacBook and silver with 512 GB MacBook. This kind of product benefits three things. 1. Let customers choose the feature values on the product page. 2. Let the customers to select the color of the MacBook they want, which serves as separate catalog items. 3. And also lets the customers to select the capacity of the MacBook the customers want. We have other dedicated video tutorials on how to create variations in detail. Tab 4, Files to Sell. This tab contains a list of files that are associated with this downloadable product. Each file has the following properties. Name, the name of the file as your customers will see it on the product page. Note that it does not change the original file name. Position, the position of the file relative to the positions of the other files in the list. File, the actual file that will become available for download after purchase. Preview, a preview file that can be freely downloaded from the product details page on the storefront. Activation mode determines how the download link will be activated. Immediately after the order has been placed. After full payment, once the order status has changed to processed or complete. Manually by the store administrator. Max downloads, the maximum number of allowed product downloads per customer. License agreement, the text of the license agreement. Agreement required, determines whether the customers must accept license agreement at checkout. README, additional instructions, for example, installation instructions, etc. Folder, the folder to which the file belongs, if you created any. We have other dedicated video tutorials on how to create files to sell in detail. Tab 5, Buy Together. On this tab, you can bind the product with other products from the catalog and offer a discount if the bound products are bought together. A set of the bound products is referred to as a product combination. The discount is promoted on the product details page on the storefront, and customers can decide whether they want to profit from the offer or not. This feature is only available on Mojoob Marketplace, which will help you sell more. Along with the set of bound products and the offered discount, each combination has the following properties. Name, the name of the product combination. Description, the description of the product combination as it appears on the storefront. Use available period, if this checkbox is ticked, you'll be able to set available from the date when the product combination becomes available for customers. Available till the date until the product combination is available. Display in promotions, if this checkbox is ticked, the combination will appear on the list of promotions. Status, the status of the product combination, active or disabled. We have other dedicated video tutorials on how to create, buy together in detail. Tab 6, Tags. This tab includes a list of tags associated with the product. Tags will also combine products with the same tags on the storefront. This will enable you to show your products to potential buyers who are looking for a product like yours. We have other dedicated video tutorials on how to create tags in detail. Tab 7, Video Gallery of the product. In this section, you will be able to add a short video of the product either from YouTube or Vimeo. Once the video is added, then our associates will download it and add it to our server. From there it will be linked to your product page. This tab has the following properties. Settings, enables you to set video as the default product image, which means the main image of the product will be replaced by the video. This is recommended. Video type, the video is from YouTube or Vimeo. Video ID, the ID number of the video either from YouTube or Vimeo, which can be copied and pasted here. Icon type, the icon of the video be either a video snapshot or a manual icon that you can upload. Icon, upload the icon on here. Description, a short description of the video, you can put the name or title of the product here. Add, you can add more videos with the same above features. Clone, you can duplicate the same video with their all features. We have other dedicated video tutorials on how to create video gallery of the product in detail. Tab 8, Search History. In this tab, you can view how many times your product is being searched on Mojoob Marketplace. Tab 9, Live Search Settings. On this tab, you can write the words that you don't like your product to be searched with. Now that you have completed all the tabs, click on Save to save your listing creation and wait for your listing to be approved. Once your listing is approved, you will receive a notification on your dashboard. Now your listing is live on Mojoob Marketplace and can be purchased. This is how simple it is to list your product on Mojoob Marketplace. Mojoob Marketplace. Premium without paying the prime.